Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to do something a little different. It's been quite a few years, honestly, since I've done a liner. So let's get started. I've already had a little bit of foundation from earlier today and just my mascara. So I want to hide some of these dark circles and quite a few blemishes lately that we've all been sporting around since wearing masks. So I'm going to use this high coverage concealer. It is high coverage, however, I find it very moisturizing, so it doesn't crease and it doesn't dry, especially under your eyes. Doesn't create that wrinkle effect that a lot of high coverage concealers do. So I'm just gonna tap it where I need it and then gently blend it. I love this dual brush. This is from Persona Cosmetics. It's such a multifunctional, multitasking brush. So I'm just going to pat until that concealer is nicely blended and melted into the skin. I'm going to follow up with a touch of powder. My skin is already dry from trying to heal all this acne with different medications and creams. So I'm just going to go and put it right where I want it, which is just a touch underneath the eyes and around my nose. Just basically the T-zone, so it doesn't look, shiny and greasy around there. To warm up my complexion, I'm gonna add a little bronzer because summer is over and I still like my glowy bronzy skin. For the liner today, I'm gonna go in with a very dark charcoal black pencil. I'm not going to use eyeliner because I want something that's more distressed and more lived in. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this black pencil along the lash line. I'm not too worried about the shape at the moment. I do want a baby wing, but for now I'm just focusing on getting that color in between the lashes, and then we're gonna perfect it, so to speak, but still in a messy way. I want that rock and roll vibe where your eyeliner looks lived in, very effortless. I think it's so much more chic when it doesn't look like it took you hours to create it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep lining my eyelash line and do the same thing on my other eye. And don't worry if you don't get it perfect, that's the point. Plus, we're gonna have a little eyeliner brush and just perfect where we want to. I think this effortless, lived-in liner goes so well with just an all black outfit, turtleneck, black pants, just very chic and effortless, like I said. And then I'm going to go ahead and smudge right across the lash line, but still keeping the wing, the baby wing, a little sharp, so we still have that eyeliner look. I'm gonna add one more layer of mascara because what I had today it just kind of wore off, so I'm just gonna define my lashes a little bit. And for my lips, I wanted something very simple, nude, barely there, your lips but better kind of color, so I'm just gonna touch them up. And yeah, that's about it. A drop of my favorite perfume and I'm all set. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.